Is your design team still doing monkey work? Time to drop the repetitive design tasks and scale content creation. Create a self-service brand portal with editable content everyone can use. And let anyone customize files whenever they need them. Always following your brand guidelines. They can share directly on social media or get it printed and delivered instantly. Automate design, and they will generate it all in a few clicks. And you can update files whenever you need. On-demand marketing has never been easier.